Paige just got her first ice cream from a vending machine. Now for the taste test.
Oh, how do I don't know how to push it up. It's fucking too cold.
Just lick it.
No, do you rip the thing off?
You do. No, you don't. Wait, you do. Wait. I don't know how to do it. Oh, you do. You rip the whole thing.
Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow. Wait. Let me get a close up. And let me focus. Oh. How is it?
Insane.
Yeah, good.
Nice.
It's like vanilla.
Funfetti flavor, is it?
Yeah, it's like vanilla protein powder shake kind of.
Oh yeah, I might get one.
This is cool.
Maybe. Oh, do I get the creme brulee one?
Yes.
Let me get one.
Imagine coming here, it's cold, you've just done a lot of riding on your bike, you get a hot drink.
So, and then make your selection. Excellent. Oh, I think the coins are cold.
Let's see it, Sam.
Oh, give me 1 sec. This one has a cone, so.
Sponsored by Glico, this video.
By what? Right, let me put my rubbish away.
Going well, Paige? Is it really cold?
Bottles?
Yeah.
Bottles. Which one's trash?
I put in that one, the blue one. I feel like I shouldn't have gone in there. But...
Oh, wow. It like rips appropriately too. That's excellent. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, it's very frozen. This is really nice.
How's the flavor?
Very good. Oh, really nice. It's like caramel vanilla.
Look how perfect the shape of it is. Oh, it's not focusing. Yeah, there we go. Just twirl it. Yeah.
Yeah.